the shock is like, you will love it. Let me see, how strong are you? Yeah, let's test it out.
Look at Frank.
Abo!
Amen. Okay. Oh my God.
I'm going to turn from here, then we go on the lagoon.
Let's go to the
Then I'll show you
lagoon.
where the
Look at this boy. Leaning all over.